What is going on, guys? It is your guys, man. Welcome back to another... I know I haven't done this in a while, but Chug out of my 1 liter DOS boot. I am chugging Diet Mountain Lightning. I am only chugging this because I haven't done a chug in a while, so I'm thinking, why not? Just this once, because I have had this Diet Mountain Lightning for like almost a week now, and I feel like it's about time it gets finished. So I'm not gonna have music playing because I'm gonna try to get this done as quick as I can, and then you guys could see a little bit of Resident Evil action. So let's can the chatter. You ready? I'm ready. Whew. Whoa, that's a lot of carbonations. Whew. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of carbonations. Whew. So, okay. So before I go, guys, I had another chug in mind that I was thinking about doing out of my 1 liter DOS boot, but I won't do it right now or anytime soon. I was thinking, since I like Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar, do a zero sugar product out of this. Not now, but eventually. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay. There we go. Alright, so I've been enjoying my break so far today, and I'm probably gonna do another chug eventually, just not right now. Not anytime soon. Maybe in about a week from now or something. I just wanted to do a chug because why not? And I will be doing another video today, just for another heads up, and I will be doing more stuff. I'm still trying to figure out another like live stream idea, but today, whoops, sorry about that. I'm trying to see what the date is. Today is the 27th. Tomorrow will be the 28th, and then I don't remember if it's leap year or not, but if it's the 29th, if I don't have any ideas by tomorrow or by the 29th or by the 1st, I will probably on the 1st I will probably live stream a bunch of Rated E for Everyone games, and then for the 2nd I'll probably play Star Wars: The Force Unleashed 1 and 2, the Light Side Edition, and play Five Nights at Freddy's 3. I will probably do that for an idea. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that, and let you guys know about a couple of the other things. Oh, that was a lot of carbonations. Alright, so I'll probably see you guys later, so thank you. But I will do a reaction later, so thank you everybody so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this chug, leave a like, put a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hasta la vista, baby. Yeah.